RAG versus fine-tuning. RAG versus fine-tuning. RAG versus fine-tuning describes two different ways of giving an AI model access to new knowledge or behaviors. One by retrieving external data at query time, and the other by permanently updating the model's parameters during training. A simple way to remember this is RAG is like giving the model a live search engine it can consult every time you ask a question, while fine-tuning is like sending the model back to school so its internal understanding is permanently reshaped. In a customer support chatbot, RAG can fetch the latest product manuals and tickets from a vector database, while a small fine-tune teaches the model your brand tone and common workflows. This is similar in spirit to how Retrieval-Augmented Generation, or RAG, is used in modern LLM systems on this channel. This choice matters because RAG is usually better for rapidly changing or large knowledge bases where you want up-to-date answers without retraining, while fine-tuning is better when you need the model's default behavior, style, or reasoning patterns to be consistently specialized. Remember, RAG versus fine-tuning.